I have a client who's an engineer. He came to me with a spreadsheet. He had analyzed different specs and floor plans that he felt would work best for his family. We started looking at homes, and he would bring that spreadsheet with him and review homes against their needs. I was completely amused. I was convinced, like he was, that if we could find the home that matched the requirements, we were golden. Then we found it, the perfect home. It checked all the boxes, and it didn't have the feels. It wasn't the one. Soon after, his wife found a home that she loved. We went and we looked at it. He all but had to throw away the spreadsheet. It was not the floor plan that he thought would work best. It wasn't in the city that logically made sense that he had deducted was the right one, but he felt it. He and his wife both caught the vision of the home. It was in a cul-de-sac. It was close to family and work. The schools were highly recommended by a close friend. Here's the funny thing. The layout was nothing like what he expected would work. He had to compromise on one of his biggest non-negotiables. He did not want to have to finish a basement. I still laugh when I imagine his face, and I could read the surprise as he accepted that this home was indeed the one, the home where they would be the happiest. He was not a big talker, but he sheepishly set aside his checklist and admitted that, as strange as it might be, he was in love with the home, even though it was not what he had originally imagined it to be. Homes and people match. There is a true connection. It is an amazing opportunity to be a part of this process. I know how to help you step by step so that you can accomplish your goals. I'm a problem solver. Together we will tackle inspections, clarifying lender process, and make it to the finish line. We will conquer your fears and we will fulfill your dreams. I am Janet Marroquin with Coldwell Banker Realty, and my YouTube channel is Living in Salt Lake City.